Even though we believe all sentient beings have a right to live, they all undergo suffering. During natural calamity, if you are given a choice between saving one human life vis-a-vis saving one animal life, whom will you choose? But there's someone who doesn't accept any age old answer: the stubborn soul. Between these two siblings, there's no need for physical touch because the bond itself is an embrace, a quiet, unspoken merging that wraps you in the comfort of being truly understood and the courage to be unapologetically yourself. Now, when it comes to ethics and moral principles, this is a highly gray area.